Hello, first graders, and welcome back to another day of a science job. Our target skill for today is I can identify and describe solids, liquids, and gases. Boys and girls, these are all different types of matter. Well, if we reach back into our brains from yesterday, we'll remember that matter is anything that takes up space. Matter always has mass. Go like this, mass. What is mass? Mass is the amount of matter something has. The amount of matter, the amount of space that an object takes up. Today we're going to look at 3 different types of matter. The first is a solid. You say it, solid. A solid is a type of matter that has its own size and its own shape. For example, if I take this glass and put this pencil inside, did the pencil change its shape? It's still shaped like a pencil. Did the pencil change its size? No, it's still the same length. So, boys and girls, a solid keeps its size and its shape, no matter where it is. All right, another type of matter we are going to look at is a liquid. A liquid is matter that flows like water. Take a close look at this water. It has a size, right? It's about halfway up this bottle. And right now, it is the shape of this bottle. But, boys and girls, if I pour this liquid into this container, is it the same shape? No, now it is the shape of this container. Is it the same size? It is the same size because I did not add any liquid or take any away. So a liquid keeps its size, but not its shape. Our third type of matter, boys and girls, is a gas. This is the only kind of matter that fills the space of its container. So, boys and girls, gas is like the air you breathe, or you can see in this picture steam from a hot water heater. So, right now, I'm in my classroom, and in this classroom, it is filled with air. If I take some of this air and close it into this bottle, now, this bottle is filled with air. The air is the shape of this bottle, and it fills the whole bottle, so it does not keep its same size. If I were to open this bottle and let all the air out, now it fills the space in the room. It fills the space in the room because that is its container. So when we're talking about gas, I want you to push your hands out like this because it does not keep its size or its shape. It fills the space in its container. That's how hot air balloons fly, boys and girls. If you take a look at this picture, the hot air inside these balloons is pushing against the balloon to fill it. All right, boys and girls, it is time for lesson 2. Take a deeper look at solids, liquids, and gases. Have fun, first grade scientists.